This AI influencer can generate millions of views, likes, and comments on your behalf, and is actually working with brands like Calvin Klein, Diesel, Dior, Prada, and many more. And this isn't the only one. This, and many others. These are all AI influencers that are taking over the social world. So, in this video, I'll show you how you can create your own personal AI influencer in just a few simple steps. Step number 1. Find a targeted image. Let's get started by finding an image for inspiration. Remember, it's important that the person in the picture doesn't actually exist. So, we'll use an AI tool, Midjourney, to create a new face based on the one we find. It's worth mentioning that this tool isn't free and requires a paid monthly subscription, which is worth it if you ask me. Once you have your chosen image, head over to Midjourney's Discord server and use the describe command to suggest a new face based on your image. Don't forget to sign up for a subscription or trial to access the results. Step number 2. Generate image. Now that we have our synthesized face, it's time to gather some targeted images. You can use a free AI art creation tool like cart.ai to generate these images. Simply log in, find the feature to create targeted images, and select the ones you like. The tool will take some time to generate the results as per your commands, and then you can download them along with similar images to use as targeted images for your influencer page. Step number 3. Swap images. The next step is face swapping, which involves applying the synthesized face to the targeted images we've collected. To do this, you'll need to create a server on Discord. Now, let's pick out a catchy name for our AI influencer. Next up, search for GitHub inside Face Swap on Google and click on the second link that pops up. Look for that Discord bot invitation. You'll want to pick the server you set up earlier and with a quick click on Authorize. Out in the top right corner, click Inside Face Swap Online. Select your newly generated AI influencer server and type in Save ID. Then you will get a prompt by selecting this. Then pick a name for your ID. Hit enter and you've got yourself an ID. Now type in /swap and another prompt to tackle. Give it that ID name and start pasting in those targeted images we snagged from cart one by one. After a few seconds, you'll see the face has swapped. Wrap up this step by repeating the process, typing in swap again, going through the prompt, plugging in the ID name, model, and dropping in those targeted images. Before you know it, you've got a collection of all swapped images ready to go. Step number 4. Save images. Alright, it's time to round up these swapped images and store them safely on your computer. Just give that first image a click, then right-click for a set of options to save it straight to your PC. Be a bit careful in picking the path to save these images one by one, repeating this process for all 5 of them. And there you go, all saved up. Step number 5. Edit images. Now, these files need a little editing, so pop over to onlineconverter.com to get these files converted into PNG. But you can feel free to use any converter that suits you, as long as it does the trick. Once you've got all 5 images converted, let's take a peek at the difference. Just compare the swapped image to the targeted one, and you'll see it all clearly. Let's compare all these swapped images. They all sport the same face, and no one would guess they're not real images of the same person. Step number 6. Video creation. Time to step into the next phase. We're on to creating a video for our brand-catching new AI influencer's Instagram page. You can swipe any video off TikTok, and I'm plucking one from a sneaky gym video. Just save it up from any old TikTok downloader using the link, but be sure to pick a tool that'll remove that TikTok watermark. Step number 7. Clone videos. Now, let's visit Google Colab, a tool that's an absolute game changer for content creators. Once you're on the link, scroll up to the top and give that Get Clone a click, then go ahead and run it. Wait until it wraps up doing its thing. Now's the time to click on that file icon snug over on the left and toss in the video and source image. Just make sure the image's name doesn't have any spaces in it. Both files will pop up. Then go on top, click that second cell to give the downloaded model, and wait for the grand reveal. Swipe down to the last cell and give it a once-over. Double check if the video quality is high quality for optimal results. Then it's a grab and paste step with the image path, swooping it in to replace /content as the source. The same goes for the other video. Once it's done, click this cell and watch it snagging the video. This particular video clocks in at 7 seconds. So you're looking at about 6 to 7 minutes for the whole process. After it's done, you'll see a file on the left side named swapped MP4. And if it's not there, give it a nudge with that file refresher from these 3 dots. Once it appears, give that download a view. And ta-da! The results are in your hands. Step number 8, edit the video. Now, let's level up that video for maximum quality. Using Premiere Pro or any video editing software, give that video a touch-up, switch around the background music, and hunt around for a top-notch video that's caption-free. Step number 9, set up your Instagram page. On to the final stage, crafting an Instagram page. Here's where ChatGPT gives you a dazzling name and bio, all set for the Instagram page. And before you know it, your very own AI influencer is ready to make waves on social media. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content creation tips.